Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the perimeter area of Cherry Gardens is this gorgeous 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home with staff quarters. This beautifully furnished home has the space and the amenities you would expect. It comes with spacious living, dining and kitchen area, beautiful staircase with nice landing, roof deck and lounge area, swimming pool, gazebo, garden areas, two-car enclosed garage with automatic doors, automatic gate, water tanks, security system and generator. Nearby are schools, churches, shopping centers, restaurants, golf course, and entertainment. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. rental price for this house is US 5.5 thousand or Jamaican $846.5 thousand per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.